Hi everyone, this is Amaya and you're with Amaya's Charms. It's my day off today, so I'll be dropping off my son to school and going off to the shops. So, shall we all go shopping? Right. Ada මොනවද ඉස්කෝලේ තියෙන්නේ?
අද අපිට තියෙනවා අද
සොක්ක තියෙනවා හවස නේද?
ඔව් සොක්ක තියෙනවා හවස. ටෙඩි බෙයාද එක මේ අපි අද ටෙඩි ගෙන ගෙනවා
ඉස්කෝලේට නේද ටෙඩි බෙයා ඩේ එකක් තියෙනවා. It's gonna be fun today. Okay. Okay, so after dropping my son off to school, I came to the chemist. My foundation has run out, so I had to buy the foundation. And so I thought I'd quickly show you a glance of the chemist, the makeup section. And my moisturizer is almost running out, so I came down to grab a moisturizer. I usually use this brand La Roche-Posay because it's a very good high quality brand, so I grabbed that too. And my husband wanted a perfume, so I thought I'll quickly get this one, which was an everyday perfume, so that was fine too. And then I'm off to the shops. I usually shop at Kohl's, so there was not a lot of things that I had to shop today because we had a good stock at our house, but there were a few things missing, so I thought I'll quickly grab those things at the shops. Let's do this. I usually glance at this houseplants section even at Kohl's, and then let's buy some eggs. And we run out of walnuts, which we usually use in our overnight oats, so I bought some of walnuts so we can make overnight oats. So I didn't buy a huge pack, but I just weigh some of the walnuts according to what I needed, and then bought that. And we're pretty much nearly running out of oats, so I thought I'd quickly buy that. And I had to bake a cake and ice, so I bought some vanilla, and this is a quick sneak peek of the baking aisle. And I had to buy some lunch boxes for my son because he pretty much lost the entire lunch box with the lunch bag. It was good. This Systema brand is a good brand, and they were all half price. The whole Systema range was half price at Kohl's today, so I thought I'll buy that. And then we all love this stone baked wholemeal bread. We usually toast this and put butter and Vegemite or anything, so I bought that as well. And like I said, for overnight oats, we were running out of peanut butter or almond butter, either of that we use, so I thought maybe I'll buy some almond butter for that. And that's what I bought today. And also for pancakes, we're using frozen berries. They were half price too, so I bought a packet of blueberries. And this is the lovely flower shop just outside the Kohl's shopping center, Kohl's shops. I actually asked permission from the owner before filming this because it was so beautiful, and I had to capture some of these beautiful flowers and the arrangements because I love flowers, so I thought my viewers would love some flowers as well. So I thought I'll quickly capture these beautiful flower arrangements for you. So this is it, Fresh Point, Churchill. So part of this shop is a fruit and veggie shop, whereas the other corner is the flower shop. So this is the flower shop, so kind of it. So now let's pack everything to the car, and I'm heading off home. So this is after my son coming home from school. While he's having an afternoon snack, I quickly made some of my curry powder spices, because I was running out of some of my curry powder, because so I usually make them by myself, because it's then fresh and very nice, and flavor wise it's way better than the store-bought curry powder. So I've grounded coriander, cumin, fennel seeds, pepper, cardamom, curry leaves, fenugreek, so there's lots of good spices going into that. So I've just made a lot of curry powder, which will last me for months. So come dinner time, I was making hoppers. In Sinhalese we call up. So I made the batter early in the morning. So because for hoppers we have to make the batter like way earlier, and I've got only 2 hopper pans, so it's pretty much enough for 3 of us. So I made some hoppers, because I had some leftover Lunu Miris which was left in the fridge when we had Kiribati the other day. So this is me making the hoppers, and when it comes to hoppers we always have to make an egg hopper for each of us. So that's why you can see those 3 eggs sitting there. In a minute you will see me making some egg hoppers as well. Well, that was what we had for our dinner, hoppers with Lunu Miris. So that's it, my friends, on today's video. So this was just another Wednesday where I don't go to work, so just running off here and there to do some errands and other bits and pieces. So if you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing my channel, pressing the like button and commenting on the video, and until I see you in the next video, bye bye and take care.